Hello, everybody. Welcome back to the channel, Dad's Market Stats. Before we begin the video today, I just want to mention this video is just for entertainment purposes and educational purposes. It is not a suggestion to buy, hold, or sell any assets. Please do your own due diligence and research when choosing where to invest your money. So on today's video, we're going to discuss what is the best put option to sell for today, April 18th, using the wheel strategy. And we're going to be investing $300 a week. So let's take a look at my screen. Let me share this. Just bear with me for a minute. Here we are. So as we can see here, if we look at the options window, I currently have 7 contracts that are going to be expiring this Friday. That's tomorrow. And let's take a look at what has been my total return. Yes, total return. If we see here on this put option, it looks like we're down $7. But however, we're not really down $7. Why not? Because I sold this put option for a $15 premium. So that means that even though if this contract expires in the money, I'll be buying 100 shares of Bitfarms for $200. But I got paid $15. So that means I'm really buying them for $185 or $1.85 per share. And if we take a look at Bitfarms here, it's currently at $1.84. That's what it's trading at right now. So I'm really only down $1 per share. So anyways, I'm never really going to lose this money because I'm never going to buy back this contract. I'm never buying back this option. So I'm not losing this money. I'm gaining 100 shares. That's what I'm hoping, that when this contract expires, I'll have another 100 shares that I can use as collateral. So now let's take a look at Bitfarms and see how Bitfarms is doing. As we can see right now, pre-market, it looks like it's a green day. Very good. And that's interesting because we had some interesting news come out that we're going to discuss a little bit. But first, let's continue talking about the best put option to buy. Let's take a look at my dollar cost average here. See, it's $2.58. I own 1,100 shares of this company. Now, what is being held as collateral? Well, if we focus on the put option, we can see $200 that I invested is being held as collateral. 1,100 of my shares are being held as collateral on covered calls that I sold. But let's focus on the $200. I'm hoping to earn another 100 shares when this contract expires tomorrow. But if it doesn't, and I get my $200 back, well, then I'll have another $200 to sell another put option. So that's good too. Really never lose here. Now, if we take a look at my total return on the shares that I own of this company, Bitfarms, as we can see here, total return looks like I'm in the negative. It looks like I'm losing $812. But I'm not really losing this money because I haven't sold my shares. I still own the 1,100 shares that I bought from this company. So currently the price is $1.84. My average cost is $2.58. If Bitfarms goes back to $2.58, this number is going to change. It's going to fluctuate. So I'll be breaking even at that point. If it goes back to $2.58, my total return, I'll be breaking even. If it goes above $2.58, well, then I'm a happy camper because it's going to be in the positive. My total returns is going to be in the positive, and I'll be looking to sell at that point. But not really. I want to keep making money on my shares and my investment. So let's take a look at the options now. As we said, I'm investing $300. I put $300 into the broker's account. So that gave me a buying power of $320 because I had $20 in there already. So I had the buying power of $320. So let's take a look at the options here and see which one is the best option to sell. So we're going to sell a put. Now, as we can see today, April 9th, well, this week, rather, April 19th, ends in April 19th. I could have sold the $3 put option, or I could sell two of the $1.50 put options because I have $300 that I can use as collateral. But as we can see here, nobody is buying the $1.50 put. There's nobody buying it. So most likely I'm not going to be able to sell two of these contracts. The $3 put, yeah, somebody's buying it, but look, they're only paying $40 for this put option. So if I sell this option, then I'll really be buying the I'll really be buying shares of Bitfarms at $2.60. I hope my math is correct. And if we look at the current share price, it's $1.85. So I'm losing money if I sell this option. That's no bueno. So let's take a look at a better option that I could sell today that will give me more of a premium. Let's go 29 days out. That's almost a month, right? Here we go. See, $3 option here is selling for $120 or $1.20. So if I sell this put option, I'll be actually buying shares of Bitfarms for $1.80, right? Because I'm making $1.20 on $3 on my $3 investment. I'm making $1.20. So I'll be in the money. I'll be actually making a gain already if I sell this option right now because the share price is $1.85. However, I want more shares of the company. I want 200 shares. If you want to sell this put, if you want to make more bang for your buck, that's almost 50% return on your $3 investment. Go ahead and do that. If that's what works for you, go ahead and do that. But me and my wife, we discussed it already. We want to own more shares of this company. So we're trying to sell two of these $1.50 put options. So that's what we decided to do. I already set the order. We're pre-market right now, but you can set your order, as we can see. Uh, if I'm able to sell these put options, they gave me an extra $20 buying power. And you want to keep this buying power available. You don't want to use that because in case of a rainy day, in case of an emergency, it takes about 1 to 2 days for your trades to be confirmed and for your money to clear. After 2 days that you sell these contracts, you'll be able to deposit this money back into your bank account if you need it, if there's an emergency. You never know what could happen, right? So it's a good idea to keep that in your buying power. Or you could use that to invest more. So I used to do that before, but now I'm going to keep it there for a rainy day. All right. Ladies and gentlemen, discuss your decisions with each other. As I said, I already spoke about this with my better half. We talked about it. This is what we want. It's a good idea to always discuss things with your better half. Why? Because two heads are better than one. And if you're the man, you want to make sure that she's comfortable and confident with the decisions that you make because that's going to help her to love and respect you. Ladies and gentlemen, that is a recipe for a happy marriage. If you love and respect each other, always talk about things together. The decisions you make will affect both of you, right? Because the two of you are one once you make this union. So always discuss things with each other. So very good. See that? See how easy that was? Let's go back to my investing page. All right, so you can see here, I already put the order in, selling two options, expiring May 17th, $1.50. And the limit is 10 cents or $10. So hopefully I'm able to own these 200 shares. If not, I'll get my $300 back from collateral. All right. Very good. There we go. My buying power is $40. Excellent. So see how easy that was? See, I'm a busy person. You know, I have a full-time job. I have a family that constantly needs my attention. And together we all do volunteer work. So we're very busy. And you're probably busy too. You don't have time to be looking at the stock market all day. You don't have time to be looking at a technical analysis chart. trying to see when is the best time to enter and exit your position. You don't have time for that. As you can see here, we already set the order. We're pre-market. I'm about to start getting ready for work. There's no stress. You just set it and forget it. How much did you make on your investment? Well, me, I made 6%. If I'm able to sell these two contracts, I make 6% because I made $20, right? So I made 6% return already. So you might choose to sell the $3 put, right? You might be close to making 50% already of return on your investment. So that's on you if you decide that. So now let's discuss the concerning news that came out yesterday that could affect Bitfarms. Canada's capital gains tax is going to go up. Currently, if you make $250,000 as a capital gains, you're going to be taxed in Canada 50% on that. And anything that you go over, if you make over $250,000 in your capital gains, well, you're going to be taxed 66% on that. Why is that alarming news for Bitfarms? Well, because Bitfarms is based in Canada. And what a coincidence that yesterday on the video I posted yesterday, we talked a little bit about capital gains tax, right? But that's just a coincidence. So Bitfarms is based in Canada. Will they have to pay taxes on the Bitcoin that they sell? Well, it doesn't look like the market thinks so. You can see their stock has not taken a hit. So maybe they won't have to pay capital gains tax on the Bitcoin that they sell. Maybe they'll be able to make some deductions because they spend a lot of money. They have a lot of expenses. So unless they're profitable, they probably will not have to pay capital gains tax on the Bitcoin that they sell. So that's alarming news, but it's the stock is not taking a hit. It looks like it's not really terrible yet. But as you can see, friends, there's no stress. And you see how easy that was. I sold my two put. I'm going to sell my two put options today. Hopefully, I'll get the notification later when I'm at work. And, and I'll make those $20 today. 6% return on my $300 investment today. So yes, friends. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit the like button. Let me know what you think. Which stocks you're looking to buy. Let me know which put options you're looking to sell. Let me know if you think that Bitfarms has to pay taxes on the Bitcoin that they sell. Let me know what you think on the comments. Subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell. Keep track. Help me keep track of my stats. Let's see if I can recover all of the money that I lost so far since I started investing. Maybe. We'll see. Keep in tune. All right, everybody. Have a wonderful day. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you in the next video. Next video, we're going to discuss covered calls. I might be able to sell 7 covered calls next week. So that's when I'll post my next video. Everybody have a wonderful day and God bless.